Hello, everyone. Today, I want to demonstrate what our FAQ generator with schema.org template does. We can choose the template from the Flow Library tab and select the FAQ generator with schema.org. This tool generates a set of frequently asked questions based on your URL. It will go through your URL or input and generate best-fitted frequently asked questions for your page. For example, if we simply give it the FlowHunt landing page, it will extract all the data there is on the FlowHunt landing page and generate a comprehensive list of FAQs and format them using schema.org to optimize search engine visibility. This tool can help many employees create SEO-friendly FAQs for their websites and make their lives easier. Thanks for watching.